Welcome back to this video today. My name is Pajia. In this video today, we'll be talking about how you use curse to revise whatever thing that has been done against you, and you can also use sand to bring success and favor to you, and bring also open door to whatever thing the enemy has stole from you. Okay, you use sand to recover it back. So if you're new to this channel and you would like a video like this, please consider subscribing to make a huge difference, and don't forget to press the notification bell so you'll be notified whenever I upload a video like this. And to my old subscribers, thank you for returning back. God bless you. So in this video today, like as I said, we'll be talking about, I'll be giving you spiritual tips that you will use, okay, to revise or to bring whatever thing that the evil ones, the enemy, have stole from you. Okay, now we all know that sand is earth. Okay, sand has a lot of spirit, good spirit, bad spirit, okay, negative and positive energies are in sand. Okay, just like in some part of Africa where you want to go to your village, all right, some people parents will not allow you to go to a certain place, will not allow you to be exposed that much, because unknowing to you, somebody may get a sand from where you match your footstep, and they will use that sand to undo you, and it work very fast. This same sand, you use it to liberate yourself, okay, to recover whatever thing that has been stolen from you in the past. So how are you gonna do it, and which sand do you need? Any type of sand, be it the sand from your working place, be it the sand from your home, be it the sand from where you're living. Okay, all you need to do is very early in the morning, get a sand. When you get a sand, you first of all ask for mercy. Use Psalm 51. How to ask for mercy? Ask God for mercy. Anything you might have sinned against God or against man unknowing to you, God should have mercy upon you. Okay, when you have asked for mercy, after asking for mercy for at least 1 hour, you need to be serious. You need to be very, very serious and focus on it. Okay, because this is very important. So when you ask God for mercy, after asking God for mercy for at least 1 hour, you take that sand on your hand like this. Okay, on your hand like this, you speak to that sand. You say, today you earth, I'm speaking to you. Whatever thing that has been done against me, whatever thing that you have, that enemy have used you to steal from me, to undo me, okay, today I'm asking you to release it. Release my favor, release my contract, release my job, release my husband, release my children. Okay, use it to release any kind of favor. And after releasing it, and you say, whatever thing that has been done against you today, this sand, I command you to nullify it. All right, after doing it, you have to blow it out. When you blow it out to the air, you go back inside. You take 3 cubes of sugar and put in the water. Use it to shower. You say, today, as I'm taking this shower, the way I'm being created, all the goodies God created me with, just like this sugar is sweet, so shall I be sweet, and so shall all my hidden blessings, all my hidden favors return to me. After bathing, you wait for a while before drying your body. Okay, after you can apply your normal lotion, cream, and go your way. Within 3 days, watch out what will happen. Please don't forget to come and testify. And if you find this video helpful, please don't forget to share the video, okay, and like. Very huge